Hey folks, did you ever think about what kind of mulch you want to use in your garden? I have quite a few down here. Let's talk about these mulches. And of course, we use mulch in the landscaping to conserve water around the plant and also as a weed control. It keeps those weed seeds from germinating. We have some good ones here. The pine bark is great because it's large and it kind of keeps the weeds down really good, and it can also attract termites and ants, so that's a negative on that. The colored mulches are usually made out of pine, and we hope that the dye is environmentally safe for that. It comes in all kind of different colors. The famous eucalyptus mulch, which is probably the best mulch for insect control. It's a little pricey, but a very good mulch. And we have the old cypress mulch, which is kind of going out of favor because environmentally we've lost a lot of cypress trees to the mulch people. And of course the original mulch was pine straw and still used a lot today. That comes from pine forest, and it's renewable. You just rake it up out of the forest and we don't have to use any trees for that. It's also great because it's probably the best one as far as allowing the soil to breathe around the base of the plant. And if you're on a tight budget, oak leaves are always a great thing. It's a great mulch. They're always free around the neighborhood, and it makes a great mulch, and you just kind of spread it around. Watch out, sometimes they can harbor some insects, so that may be an issue with it. Thanks folks, Jim Hunter with your short and sweet tip of the day.